Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the Wednesday, January 15th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Let's show you what's happening now when we take a peek at the dense fog advisory that's in effect. Now, of course, if you're watching this afternoon, this is no longer an issue, but early this morning until 10 o'clock, you have some dense fog advisories out for a good chunk of the eastern half of the Carolinas, including Raleigh-Durham and places like Asheboro, Fayetteville, Myrtle Beach, and Florence down toward Columbia. Now, in terms of highs yesterday, it was a nice day, up to 60 in Charlotte. 56 the high in Greensboro. Now, I say it was a nice day. You had that rain that was around, but for the I-85 corridor, that exited as expected by lunchtime or so, and then we had a pretty nice afternoon unfold. In terms of temperatures now, a lot of us near or just above freezing. There are some areas in that dense fog area that have some sub-freezing temperatures, so a little bit of freezing fog is an issue in a few spots this morning. Watch out for a few slick spots on some bridges and overpasses during the next few hours until the temperatures warm above freezing area-wide. Now, there's the radar, quiet now, but off to the west, there's the precipitation with our incoming storm system. There's even been some snowflakes involved with this in the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. And as this system continues to dig and pivot to the east, and it'll tap a little bit of Atlantic Ocean moisture, and we'll probably wind up with a band of some snow showers in many spots across the Piedmont this evening. More on that in just a second. Mountain temperatures, back to many mountain spots seeing sub-freezing temperatures this morning. Ski resorts largely have the snow guns fired up again this morning. Of course, that's good news up that way. All right, here comes this next system in our quick-hitting pattern. Several more disturbances aimed at our area. The next one heading on in by late today and into this evening. The rain from yesterday exited. We had some sunshine yesterday afternoon, and then already here's the next system rolling on in. Now, pretty quiet for most of the day. Now, the mountains will get some snow as the day unfolds. And really, I think it's going to be this evening for most of the Piedmont when we see the precipitation occur. Let me run that through one more time here, kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at. All right, so here we are again, 3 o'clock this afternoon, and then probably a lot of Piedmont and foothill spots see a period, at least a brief period of some rain showers this evening before the colder air takes over, and a lot of us have a period of some snow showers as the evening unfolds. Now, not everybody will see the snow. It'll be, again, a showery nature to it. But again, some snow showers, a possibility nonetheless. Now, I'll show you the accumulation map that the Futurecast model is printing out in just a second. So this is the setup today. Low pressure moving through. On the backside of that low, you get a little bit of a band of those snow showers trying to form. And you could see one or two spots if you get a period of heavier snow, maybe get an inch or two even. Not terribly out of the question, or not completely out of the question, but I think most of us at best seeing a dusting on some rooftops or grassy areas. And again, not everybody will see the snowflakes. It'll be a hit and miss type of deal. Next system then quickly swings in by Friday, and we could see some more snow showers pivoting through as Friday or Friday evening unfold. Now there's Stormcast, Futurecast, showing you the opportunity for maybe a dusting on some grassy areas or rooftops this evening. And then the next disturbance rolls in Friday, and you see more areas getting painted with the chance of a little bit of light snow accumulation potential. Here is what it looks like at the upper levels. This is the European model, trough swinging in. Takes a bit of a negative tilt as we get into tonight, and that's probably enough to force that band of some snow showers. And then here comes the next one diving through by Saturday morning, another one coming in here Sunday morning, and more upstream. Just a very active pattern. You go out to 174 hours. Here's another big trough. That's Tuesday night of next week. In terms of precipitation, there is the European representation for Friday night and Saturday morning. Not as impressive as some of its previous runs, but again, I do think with these disturbances moving through, you have to mention the chance of some snow showers at times. There's another disturbance Sunday morning. Another one Tuesday on the European. Now, the NAM, this is what it's looking like this evening. And tonight, you get that band of precip kind of on that northwest side of the passing low pressure, and due to the forcing, that's where you could get, at least briefly, some areas with a burst of decent snow. And that's, again, where you can't rule out a little bit of snow accumulation. And with temperatures dropping to below freezing levels tonight, even 20s in some spots, I can't rule out a couple slick spots on area roadways tomorrow morning. And there's the NAMS representation for Friday early evening. One more thing to show you before we wrap up the video. These are 850 millibar temperatures off the European operational run. This is Friday night. Big cold pocket dropping down, and all now to the mid and later stages of next week. This is Wednesday. Very cold 850 millibar temperatures, and all the way out at 234. That's Friday of next week. Very cold air. Again, that's the European model. Not as cold on the GFS, but again, I think we're in a pattern where more often than not, we're going to have some cold air around the eastern parts of the country. And that is ingredient one, of course, for snow fans. We'll see how it plays out. All right, that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great Wednesday, and God bless.